dear friends, I'm Sarah. Welcome to our Locor factory. Today, bring you guys to have a look at an amazing machine, our Locor Deluxe series 3.2 meters Ecosolvent printer.
This is printerheads anti-collision device.
It has 4 pieces i3200 printerheads, and this is bottom plate heating system. Here's a button to control it. If you don't want the function, you can close it manually. This is our 3-stage platform heating system: back, middle, and front. Japanese THK high-quality gate wheel. 3 stages adjustable paper press wheels. 2 layers high-power outside fans device. 3 layers infrared fans inside. Here's 2 stages fans control device. When you print small materials rolls, you can just use half-part fans to drive materials. Here are 2 pairs of paper collection device. You can print 2 rolls, 1.5 meters rolls simultaneously.
Here's ink shortage alarm device. When the ink runs out, these lights will blink to alert you at ink. Here's a button to control it. This device is to check the work environment, humidity, and temperature. Here's an air bar device behind the machine. If you print large format heavy materials, you can use it to collect. This button is to control the air bar direction. If print small rolls, you can just use this one collection device. Its position here is adjustable. Here's paper detection device behind the platform.
Here's a small gradient device to check the machine horizontal and vertical condition.
If you get interested in this machine, please message us.